G'day, how you going? Welcome to the shed. I'm Benno. This is the 80 series build. Let's just get straight into the video. But first, don't forget, like, subscribe and comment. Do all the good stuff. Here we go. So the main wiring harness, the engine harness, that's all in place. I didn't video it, it's too much work. But plenum chambers in place. So I've only done a test fit so far on the throttle body. I'm going to pull it out, got to clean it properly. So I just wanted to make sure I knew where everything went, everything had a place, and everything was in its place. I just got to give this throttle body a clean. That is all going to get back together. Actually start having it look like a car again, and it may even fire up. It's time to give this throttle body a bit of a clean up before we put it all back together. As you can see, it's pretty bloody, it's pretty cruddy in there. So we need to give that a good clean out. I'm just going to use some CRC throttle body cleaner and see what happens. Well, first of all, just give it a bit of a squirt in there. Just want to try and break up some of the crud that's there. Give that a few moments to have a sit. Right. Oh, have a look at that. And it hasn't even started cleaning it up. Honestly, I don't think this car has ever had throttle body clean on it. It's disgusting. Well, we'll just get into it. Just shut the fuck up and get cleaning. It is getting there, slowly but surely, but it is fucking terrible. I forgot to turn the camera on, but we'll give you a look in there. That's all nice and clean. Look from the other side. That looks pretty good. Damn sight cleaner than it was. It's not totally covered in crap. We'll just give this surface a bit of a clean up here. Same we've cleaned the rest of it. Might as well clean that as well. Put this one on first because you simply can't reach it once the throttle body's on. Just clip back on. Okay. There's two different size bolts for the throttle body. Two longer ones go in the bottom. Slip them into place. It's going to be a bit hard to reach later. So this is going to prove to be a bit of a shit. Or maybe not. Oh yes it is, because it keeps wanting to fucking come off. Fuck yeah. Alright, we'll get these top bolts, just in there finger tight, hold it in place. Before we go any further, there's another cooling hose, goes under there. I'll have to take this plug apart. Get that out of the way. It's a bit of a pain in the ring hole. There we go. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Let's plug back together. Vacuum lines on. Right, so I'm hoping to get onto these ones underneath with the extension. Do them up finger tight. Looks like that one's going to work. That's finger tight. And under there to that one. There we go. Oh no. So I've dropped the socket down there. You should be able to get it with the magnet. There we go. Trusty magnet. Oh, I reckon that'll do it. Plug these couple of looms in, and we've got the new plug for that one. So that's for the what do they call it, the idle air control valve. I'm going to sneak that underneath. I don't really want to fit around the outside. And there we go. And why doesn't that want to click in? There we go, now it does. These ones on. Of course, I tried to fit this vacuum hose to the original one, and of course it broke off. Right, let's just get that old one out. Sure they are the right threads. Yes. Just going to use a little bit of Teflon tape on this one. Okay, just a little bit of Teflon in there. There we go. That'll do it. Yeah, so I'll just whack a new piece of vacuum hose on that. And we should be laughing. Woohoo! Giggling all the way to the bank. And there we go, we have more progress. Alright, so we've replaced the vacuum damper. Hoses are on, throttle body's on. It's all where it needs to be. Getting very close to firing this thing up.